Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I hope your week is going okay. Mine is going just okay, but you know what? I'm not complaining. I'm here, and I thank God for that. And I'm sure you feel the same. It could be better, and it could be worse, right? But one thing it is it's you're here, and that's the point. Okay, all right. So today I want to show you how to make a vitamin C drink. Vitamin C drink to help, of course, with the sickness that's going on nationwide. So when we start cooking and mixing things and making drinks and stuff, I want you to start, if you can, consider all the health benefits that you can get from whatever you cook, make, drink, mix, or do. Because if you can do that, it helps keep your immune system up to fight against the unknown. Okay, and even if you catch the unknown, you don't have to catch it. It won't be as bad if your immune system is built up. Something to help fight against it. Okay, all right, so let me show you this. I hope you enjoy it. And you know what it reminds me of? My mother, she used to make us Kool-Aid, but it was just Kool-Aid. She didn't add any juice or anything with it to help us with the common colds and stuff like that. So I'm going to take it one step further, and Ma, this is for you, okay? All right, let's do it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, share the video, and subscribe. And oh, by the way, this is one that the kids will love, because you know they love things like Kool-Aid and juice. So this is right up their alley, and you can get them to enjoy the vitamin C without even telling them. Okay, let's do it. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. All right. Okay, so let me introduce you to the products that we're going to be using. This is orange juice, but it says 50% less sugar calories, okay? So how much sugar is in here? It's 10 grams of sugar. 10 grams, okay? So when you buy orange juice, normally it's a lot of sugar in orange juice. I mean, like sometimes as much as 20 grams or more. It's a lot. So if you was to buy this, you still get the benefits of the orange juice. And I like some pulp in mine. That's the inside of an orange, because I think it helps with your bowels or anything like that. It helps you move things. So you don't have to buy pulp, okay? You can just get orange juice, okay? And then we're going to be using lemon juice, okay? This is 100% lemon juice in a jar. You can squeeze it out if you want from fresh lemons, but it'll probably take a long time to get a lot of juice. 0 grams of sugar added. 0 grams of sugar added. Now I have some apple juice, and this here says diet healthy balanced apple juice, and the sugar is 1 gram. So you can see right away we have 10 grams, no grams, and 1 gram. So we're up to 11 grams of sugar so far. Now this is some sugar-free Kool-Aid, which you know sugar-free means it has like a sugar substitute, okay? I don't want to mislead you. And this is strawberry, orange, and banana. And this says it has 0 sugar, but again, it does have sugar substitute if it's sugar-free. Okay, so that's all we're going to add. And the purpose of this drink is to give you nutrition, not add a lot of sugar, and help you get your vitamin C so that you can keep that immune system built up. Okay, so let's start. So I have about a half a container of orange juice, and this was a 52 fluid ounce container. So half of that is what, 26, we're gonna have 26 ounces of orange juice. The 50% less sugar orange juice. And it comes with some pulp, no pulp. And I'm just using this funnel so that it doesn't spill all over the place. Okay, the next thing I want to add is the lemon juice. I have a cup measure here. Oh, I should shake that up. Shaking up the lemon juice, shaking it up. Okay, this is 1 cup of lemon juice. And 2 cups of lemon juice. That's 100% lemon juice. Okay, now we're going to add the apple juice. And you may buy all of these juices separately, and you may have them all in your refrigerator. Well, what happens is somebody may drink more of the orange juice, and another person may drink more of the apple juice, and so you don't get the benefits of all the juices. And this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to get you to get the benefits with 1 drink of all the juices. Okay, this is 1 cup of apple juice. Two cups of apple juice. I'm going to do 3 cups of apple juice. Okay, this is our 3rd cup of apple juice. Okay, now we're going to add the strawberry, orange, banana Kool-Aid. And the reason why I'm adding this is going to give us the sweetener that we need, okay? But remember, it's sugar substitute, okay? Alright, now I'm going to fill this up with water up to about here. And then we're going to taste it and see if it's desirable. If I feel I need more flavor or sweetener or anything like that, I'll adjust it at that time. So let me fill this with water. Okay, I filled that with water. Now I'm going to just shake this up and we're going to give it a taste. I like it. But if you feel when you make yours that you want to add more flavor, you could add another package of Kool-Aid. So for the sake of the audience, I'm going to add another package of Kool-Aid. So I'm adding another package of the strawberry, orange, and banana Kool-Aid. Okay, so this will be 2 packages that we'll put in. That will enhance the flavor and bring that up to a pleasing taste. Okay, my hair's all over the place today. Actually, it tastes great. So there we have it, guys. Now you know how to make a vitamin C drink for your family. So this is just an old container that I had bought some iced tea in that I saved because I like the handle part of it. So look at this. We have apple juice left over, a half of a one. I have a half of a lemon juice left over. I have more Kool-Aid in my container. It's 6 come in a container for $2 left over. And I just need to buy some orange juice. So you can see how you can buy these and you can make 2 batches easily, maybe 3. Depending on your container or how much you all drink. Okay, I just thought I would show you that. That is really something good to have in your refrigerator if you're the type that buy juice, because this will concentrate on the kind of juice you buy and how much sugar is in it, so that you can, if you're interested, you can cut back on the sugar. That's very, very important. So, okay guys, there you have it. Okay? Alright, I already tasted for you. You enjoy yours, alright? And please, share the video. Let me adjust the camera. So that others can see how they can help build their immune system. It's very, very, very important. And let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day, your health. Your health is what keeps you going. If you don't have good health, you can't go to work, you can't play with the kids, you can't entertain, you can't shop, you can't do a lot of things. So your health is very, very important. And if you eat and consume the right items, you're going to help your health for the future. Okay? Alright, that's the word of the day. Do me a favor. I want you to start giving me a thumbs up, because that lets YouTube know you really like the content over here. And I know you like it because you show up for me, and I appreciate that. So go ahead, give it a thumbs up and share the videos, because somebody might not know to mix all the juices together with the Kool-Aid, and then they can not only stretch the product, they can have more of the same all in one container and get many, many benefits. So you're getting the benefits of the orange juice, you're getting the benefits of the lemon juice, you're getting the benefits of the apple juice, and you're getting some benefits of the Kool-Aid. Even though it's Kool-Aid, it is orange Kool-Aid, orange, banana, and strawberry Kool-Aid. So they use those products to make it. Okay? Alright, talk to you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.